Docker and virtual machines both run apps, but they do it in very different ways. Let's break it down. A virtual machine is like running a whole computer inside your computer. It has its own operating system, takes up gigabytes of space, and can be slow to boot. Docker uses containers. Instead of simulating a whole computer, it just packages your app with everything it needs. No extra OS, way faster. The key difference: virtual machines virtualize hardware. Docker containers virtualize the OS. That makes containers lighter, faster, and easier to scale. Think of a VM as a full apartment with its own everything. Docker, it's like a room in a shared building, isolated but efficient. So when do we use what? Use VMs when you need full OS isolation or to run different operating systems. Use Docker for lightweight apps, microservices, and speed. TLDR, VMs are heavy, Docker is lean, same destination, very different ride. Like fast, friendly tech explainers? Subscribe to TLDR Tech for bite-sized answers to big questions.